It's the glow for me. Beauties, Beautiful J here, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jay and I make natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle content here on my page. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a video on me shaving my face to get rid of peach fuzz, dark marks, and just really help smoothen out my face. So if you are struggling with any of those things, then this video is for you. Now before we get started, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can join the beauty gang, and also make sure you hit that bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I do post every week. I already washed my face in the shower. I'll show you guys the product that I use. I didn't use really much. I do use the pink grapefruit scrub when I'm in the shower. And what I'm going to do to shave my face is use this, I guess, like an eyebrow shaver, whatever you call these things. You get these from your local hair store for probably a couple cents, $1 most, just can't remember. My face, like I said, is already washed. That's why it's ashy. Don't mind that, because we're gonna get this together. So this is what my face is looking like right now. You can see that I have like a lot of hair. I am very hairy. Basically shave all of that off and get rid of the dead skin. I also have like a couple areas where I had pimples before that is kind of like dried up as well, so I'm going to shave that off as well. I'm up close and personal so you guys can see exactly and clearly what I am doing. Okay, so I used some aloe vera. What I did was basically cut up my aloe vera into small pieces, and then I scraped the inside of the aloe vera to get all of the goodness up out of there. I got the aloe vera leaf from Walmart. You can get it from Walmart if you stay near Walmart. It's very inexpensive. It was like $1.98. Not too bad whatsoever. This is actually my first time using the aloe vera on my face, so we're going to be trying this together. So I already put my aloe vera in my bowl. This is what it's looking like right now. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but aloe vera is very gooey, to say the least. So it can get pretty messy. So before I shave my face, I'm going to use the aloe vera on my face just to try and eliminate as much irritation to my skin as possible. I normally don't do this when I shave my face, but I wanted to try this out because I noticed when I was shaving my face before, my skin got very irritated after the fact. So I wanted to use some type of barrier when I do it this time to see if that helps out. So I'm gonna put this all over my face. Oh. Like I said, this is really messy. And I'm just focusing on the spots that I know that I'm gonna shave. And this feels so refreshing. Oh man, it feels refreshing. And I just got it out the fridge, so it has like, it's still cold a little bit, but not too cold, but it feels so good. What I would recommend you getting is maybe like a napkin, or if you have like a cotton swab, just so that you can wipe the little razor off as you shave, because it is going to get a little hairy. So when I shave my face, I go down, and then I also make sure I kind of have it in this angle because I don't want to cut myself. So try not to shave like this. Don't shave like that. Have the razor going like this. And then I put my fingers to stretch my skin out some, and then I go down. And as you guys can see, you can see all of that hair coming off. Now, if you have like any pimples on your face at the time, try not to shave the pimple. Try to shave around it if you can. And look, right there is like peach fuzz. Here is like my hair, but that is like the peach fuzz that's coming off right there. So I just wipe it on my napkin to get it off. And you just continue this process. Be very gentle so you will not cut yourself. So I am noticing that the aloe vera is drying really fast, so I'm just going to put a little bit more so I can finish shaving this section. I can say I do like the aloe vera with shaving it because it just seems like it's gliding a lot easier, which is good because then you know you don't have to use that much effort, so you won't cut yourself. My face is so hairy. I try not to spend too much time in one section because then you'll end up irritating your skin, scraping it so much. As quick as possible without going over it so many times, so that way you're not irritating your skin. Okay, so I think I got that section pretty good. And now I'm going to go to this section. I do have a little mustache, but we're gonna shave that off. Now, when you get up here by your eyebrows, try to be very careful so that you won't, you know, mess up your brows. I mean, I need to get my eyebrows done either way, but I don't want to mess them up. Now, when you get to your nose, this part is like really hard to do. So try to be careful not to cut yourself, especially when you're on your nose. What I do here to like get in the corner is like push my nose down, and then I go in and I just do like that. Done shaving my face now. It feels so much smoother for one, and this is what my napkin is looking like. This is all that came off of my face. So this is why I like to do this, because it just really helps get rid of like that dead skin, all of that hair and peach fuzz on your face. Like, yeah. And when you wear makeup, you will definitely tell the difference, because it will go on so much smoother, like your foundation. So I really highly recommend, if you want like a smooth makeup application, to try to do this, so that way your makeup goes on very smooth and it doesn't look cakey. Like, not gonna wash my face again, but I am going to aloe vera that I have left, just to like go over my face, because I just really want to make sure my skin doesn't get irritated as much as possible. Reason why I wanted to try it with the aloe vera this time, because usually when I do it on a dry face. Don't judge me, but usually it gets a little bit irritated the next day after doing it, but it goes away and your skin feels really smooth after. But it's just that next day irritation for me, and we're trying to see if we can get around that. So I'm going to just add this aloe vera one more time all over my face, and I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit until it dries, which it doesn't take that long to dry. As you guys saw while I was shaving my face, this makes me look like I got snot running down my nose. But once it dries, then I'll wipe it off with some toner, and then that'll be it. It is the glow for me, honey. All right, so after I let this sit for a little bit, I'll come back and show you guys the toner that I'm going to be using, and then my moisturizer that I'm going to be using. And that is pretty much it. All right, so the aloe vera dried on my face really good. I'm going to use my facial toner. I got this from a health food store near me. I'm sure you could probably get this from Walmart, health food store, wherever they sell natural products. I'm just going to use this to basically wipe the aloe vera residue off of my face, and also to tone my face. So all I'm doing is wiping this off. I usually would use cotton swabs, but I didn't feel like dealing with the cotton swabs, or finding them, shall I say. A handy dandy napkin is going to have to do the trick. And I'm just really wiping as much off. And the only reason why I'm really wiping this off is because I don't want my face to feel like sticky, because the aloe vera was like gooey like. If it's a little bit of aloe vera left on my face, I'm honestly not going to mind, because I wiped off the good majority of it, and it will just also just have the opportunity to just sit in my skin. All right, so I'm going to be using the Cetaphil lotion, and this is good for all skin types. I've been using Cetaphil for years now. I actually alternate between this and the Dermalogical, like it's a serum. I'll post a picture of it here so you guys can see. Don't have any more of that anymore. I really like the Dermalogical because it really gives your skin like a really nice glow, and it's not too heavy, so it doesn't feel like your pores are clogged, which I love, because I hate going throughout the day and feeling like my skin is just so clogged up and congested because of the products that I use. So the Dermalogical I really love. I actually just started using that because my sister got it, either her or my mom, I don't know, but it was around me and I used it and I fell in love with it because it's very, very lightweight, and now it's gone. So sad, so sad. But the Cetaphil works wonders as well, so it doesn't even matter. This doesn't make my skin clog up or anything like that, and honestly I'm going to go to bed, so it really doesn't matter because it's gonna get washed in the morning. I don't use a lot, like literally that is all that I use. I do the dots, and the reason I don't use a lot is because, again, you don't need a lot of this, for one, and two, I don't want my skin to feel clogged up. I know my hands are ashy, but that's because I just got out the shower. So, you know, let me live a little, because I haven't moisturized the rest of my body yet, because I want to show y'all my face routine really quick. Now I am going to use a little, like a dab more on my forehead because I really wasn't able to work that in there. So that is pretty much all that I do when I shave my face. Like I said, some of these things were a little bit new as far as like the aloe vera I never used before until now, but I definitely am going to incorporate that into my skincare routine because it made my skin feel really, really good. Like, oh my gosh, it feels really, really good. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.